Alright, YouTubers, I got another, my O2 Pontiac Bonneville. I'll let you listen to my horn. This is my horn. So by listening to it, I knew it was somewhere up in the, up in this front passenger corner here. So, if you kind of pull back the front fender well, and of course if you can pull off the bottom one too. I got it a little loose. But anyway, there they are. There's two of them, and they both sound horrendous. So I'm gonna see if I can't get up in there and find out what holds it up and get it out of there. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright, here we are. We're back. Looking straight up in front of the driver's side wheel. And it has what appears to be maybe like a 10 mil with a bracket common to both of them, and then there's the harness that plugs in, and then there's a cable that runs over to the other one. So I'm gonna get that out and see what I can find out. Okay, I got it out. It in fact was a 10 millimeter bolt, and that's what I used there. It's about 5 inches overall, probably like a 2.5 and extension and a 2.5 long or deep well socket, and just a 3/8 ratchet. But this thing doesn't look very pretty. I think I'm kind of want just to tear it apart to see if I could fix it, but I think I'll just grab another one, and I'm not sure I'll grab an original replacement or what I'll do, but stay tuned. We'll see what I do. Alright, here's what I found. First of all, it's just a little snap clip, a single lift up little catch right there. Then you pull the harness off. But then it comes down to these little, I'm not sure which one I call them. They're snap downs. But this one here looked really nice and clean. And then this one here was kind of icky and corroded. Not sure if I can get that to come into focus or not. Not really. There we go. Anyway, so I played around with putting this one there, then I put it there, and then I hooked them both up, and it didn't make any difference. They're junk. So in eBay time, it'll be just a couple seconds, but I'm going to order another harness. What do you want to call it? Not harness, but well, yeah, I need to order this because that's kind of sketchy. But I want to order a dual set of horns, and we'll go with that. Alright, later. Alright, I was going to show you the horns I got off eBay. I got them from this guy, Jasper Prince. They were $16.99, and sorry about the weird LCD display. And there's the horns. There's the kit. And let's see, there's the all together, the two horns, the brackets. The only thing I used was the wires. But that's it. I don't think there's anything else too special about it. Just that's about it.